Wimi Airtime is the video conferencing and screen sharing service directly integrated into Wimi. It does not require any installation. Everything happens in your browser. You can create permanent conference rooms for your exchanges or recurring events, or start a new conference in just one click. When you're on an Airtime conference, you can call one or more collaborators on your Wimi platform, or invite external partners by sharing the video conference link via the channel of your choice. You're then connected directly with your participants to exchange face-to-face. You have the option to share your screen, and also you have a built-in chat to complement your discussions. To secure your meetings, you can add a waiting room from which you can approve the requests, also a password that participants must enter to join you in the call. In short, with Wimi Airtime, you have a secure solution for your conferences and a simple and efficient way to reach your employees and reduce physical meetings.